guys, Lacey here. So I just thought I would show you how I use my stove. It's really nice. It has two different gases. You could do white gas or propane. I like to use propane, but sometimes you get in the middle of nowhere and they don't have propane. They just have white gas. It's kind of funny. So it's dual, so I don't have to worry about it. But here it is. I had to put a little bit of the box that it came in as a barrier because the wind is just kicking out here. But yeah, my refrigerator kept my tuna steaks frozen, so they're thawing still. And of course my minced garlic was all in the refrigerator, so it's really cold. And then I just brought out a freezing cold Gatorade, and it is a hot day out here. Anyway, go check out my description below and you can find all these products. But this is how I do it out in the wilderness. Y'all take care. Peace.